Before you pay that speeding ticket, watch this. Fighting it is easier than you think. You could be throwing away up to $1,000 or more in unnecessary fines and insurance hikes. Don't let a simple mistake hurt your wallet and your driving record. If you've received a speeding ticket, you're probably feeling frustrated and worried about the cost. But did you know that fighting a speeding ticket can be easier than you think? In this video, we'll show you how to contest a speeding ticket and potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars in fines and insurance increases. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just got your license, this video will help you understand your rights and options when it comes to fighting a speeding ticket. Understanding the costs. A speeding ticket can cost you more than just the fine itself. In many states, a single speeding ticket can increase your insurance rates by up to 20% or more, which can add up to $500 or more per year. And if you accumulate multiple tickets, you could be facing even higher rates and potentially even license suspension. Knowing your rights. When you receive a speeding ticket, you have the right to contest it in court. This means you can plead not guilty and argue your case in front of a judge. To do this, you'll need to understand the laws and regulations surrounding speeding tickets in your state. For example, did you know that in some states, you can't be ticketed for speeding if you're driving in an area with no posted speed limit? Gathering evidence. To build a strong case, you'll need to gather evidence to support your claim. This can include photos or videos of the scene, witness statements, and even data from your vehicle's GPS or speedometer. For example, if you were ticketed for speeding in a school zone, but the zone wasn't clearly marked, you can use photos to prove this and argue that the ticket was unfair. Preparing for court. Before you go to court, make sure you're prepared to present your case. This means dressing professionally, being respectful to the judge and other court officials, and having all your evidence and documents in order. You should also be prepared to explain why you're contesting the ticket and what evidence you have to support your claim. For example, you can say something like, "Your Honor, I'm contesting this ticket because I believe the speed limit in the area was not clearly posted, and I have photos to prove it." Presenting your case. When it's your turn to present your case, stay calm and confident. Explain your situation clearly and concisely, and provide your evidence to the judge. Be prepared to answer questions from the prosecutor or other court officials, and don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you need it. For example, if the prosecutor asks you why you were driving so fast, you can say something like, "I was driving with the flow of traffic, and I didn't realize I was speeding until I saw the police lights behind me." Saving money and time. By contesting a speeding ticket, you can potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars in fines and insurance increases. You can also avoid the hassle and time of dealing with a suspended license or other penalties. For example, if you're facing a $500 fine and a 20% insurance increase, contesting the ticket and winning your case could save you up to $1,000 or more over the next year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and advice on how to navigate the legal system and save money on insurance and other costs. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.